At Smart, we don't just build for specs, we build for the real world. In the 3 decades since we invented the smartboard, we've been testing, refining, and reimagining what interactive technology can do. Not just in perfect labs, but in real classrooms, boardrooms, and collaboration spaces. Every smart interactive display is purpose-built in-house, starting with your workflow. From our design center in the shadow of the Rocky Mountains in Western Canada, over 200 dedicated engineers work hand-in-hand with teachers, IT leaders, and government teams globally to ensure every feature solves a real challenge and does so easily and securely, without adding needless complexity or clunky interfaces. That commitment extends to accessibility. Only Smart builds accessibility features on top of the Google EDLA platform, including Tool Explorer, which supports AAC communication. And we partner with third-party researchers to make sure our products meet the needs of all users, no matter their abilities. In fact, Smart is the only display manufacturer with true physical-to-digital tools that bridge the gap between hands-on learning and digital content. Every detail is intentional. From our pen, designed for easy use by those with motor function challenges, to Smart Ink, our industry-leading inking software that feels like putting pen to paper. While others chase trends, Smart builds responsible AI tools that align with how teachers teach and how students learn, while safeguarding privacy and protecting data. Our innovations are designed to enhance human connection, amplify best practices, and empower educators with tools they can trust. Design isn't just about features, it's about performance that goes beyond day one and every day after. That's why Smart displays are pushed to the limit before they ever reach you. We test for extreme humidity, voltage spikes, and vibration, plus the real-world scenarios your teams face every day. The result? Displays built to last 50,000 hours of use. For you, that means fewer disruptions, lower total cost of ownership, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you've invested in the lowest failure rates in the industry. When you do feel it's time to upgrade, you don't have to start over. A simple OPS module upgrade can transform even older smartboards into a feels-like-new powerhouse, extending their lifespan for 10 years or longer. We're the only interactive display manufacturer that regression tests OPS appliances to work on products released as early as 2015, because technology should stay in your space and out of the landfill. This responsibility carries across all departments of our business and is central to our environmental responsibility. We don't just say it. Our progress is measured and verified by a certified third party. Our components are sourced from conflict-free smelters and suppliers that share our values. Every Smart display is ENERGY STAR certified, EU Ecodesign compliant, and built where energy-saving features, modular upgrade options, and green procurement standards are the norm. And the results speak for themselves. The SmartBoard GX Plus is more energy efficient than over 80% of competing 75-inch ENERGY STAR certified interactive displays on the market. We've also reimagined our products to do more with less. By reducing styrofoam by 75% and cutting wood use and shipping by 40%, we've made space for 30% more product in each container. That means fewer shipments, less fuel used, lower carbon emissions, and less warehouse space required for our channel partners. For IT leaders, that translates into lower operating costs, compliance with green purchasing mandates, and technology that aligns with your organization's sustainability commitments without compromising performance. From the first sketch to the last connection, every Smart display is designed with intention. Built to last, built responsibly, and built to make your job easier, we combine purpose-driven design with unmatched reliability, verified sustainability, and the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. That means fewer support calls, longer upgrade cycles, and technology that integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. Because when your technology works exactly how you need it to, year after year, it becomes more than a purchase. It becomes an investment in your people, your goals, and your future. To go beyond the expected, learn more at smarttech.com.